Hello, and of course I have nothing to talk about in this video. Oh yeah, I forgot to do my intro. So guys, I am so switched today. Hello everybody, my name is Noah Cherita. Welcome back to Top Channel. Today, in this video, we're going to be just talking, I guess. Alright, so, jeez, yeah. That's it. Alright, so I know what I'm going to talk about. So, we're going to be talking about sneezes. So, this number one sneeze, it's like the normal average sneeze where it's like, achoo! That's like my sneeze. But, yeah. So, and this, like, other sneeze is like the girl sneeze. It's just like, sometimes I just let it rip on my sneeze. And that's like the number 3 sneeze, and it's just like if you don't release this sneeze, a black form will just form inside of you. And it'll just be like sucked off of the face of the earth. And like if you feel it in your throat after, and you sneeze like I sneeze mostly, because I sneeze just like so yeah, that's kind of like how I sneeze. But this number 2 sneeze is like a girl sneeze, like achoo, like that or something. But yeah, let me think of it. And this number 3 sneeze is just like the most powerful thing ever. And like if you don't release it, like you're gonna like die or something. Hold on. I'm gonna show you guys it because I can't actually like do it. So yeah, hold on. I'll just show you the sound of it.
When they sneeze out loud, they're just like.
Oh yeah, that was the thing. I'll show it again. Cool.
And it looked like it just came.
Well, this guy's name is FaZe Jet. Oh my god. And yeah, that's my show. And after that, like your hair's all messed up. You look like you just came out like a war zone. You have to like regroup yourself after you're done with it. And yeah. Okay. After that. Alright, so guys, that is it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more. I'll see all your Cherritats, not all your Cherritat. Sorry about that. I'm gonna say bye. By the way, Ivan, if you're watching this, look, Pistachio's garden is super good. So, yeah, try get in now. Because this little dude is the protector of the house. I wouldn't mess with him.